How to find language and region settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language and region settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down and click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and then just go down until you find here this one, language and region. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage language and region on Facebook mobile. You can manage anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to find language and region settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.